Before we implemented our MasterMover AGV, we had quite a lot of issues on this resin backdoor process. It was one member who would spend all day just driving back and forwards, so quite a lot of waste for Toyota.
We wanted to investigate the market and look for towing AGV options. The key requirement for us was that the AGV could tow a heavy dolly train load at speed and do it safely, mixing with other traffic. We identified MasterMover as having a product. They were one of the few suppliers willing to customise and change the design of their core product specifically for our application. The AGV's job is to follow a standard route exactly, and then it will stop at the transfer points and it will send a signal to the equipment, tell the parts to transfer, wait till that transfer is complete, and then proceed to the next stop station. Key point of the process is the AGV needs to be able to stop very accurately at the transfer points, and it can do that very repeatably. The AGV runs for around 16 hours a day. Each route it runs is about 500 metres, and every year it covers about 5,000 miles delivering resin backdoors. It has a very busy route mixing with other production traffic. It also crosses an external roadway that shunters and lorries can pass through.
Our members are really confident with the AGV, in particular the safety of it, and that it'll work safely around them and stop if it needs to. The AGV's been running for about 2 years, and during that time we've had no safety incidents with it.
The AGV's got a lower safety scanner that can detect pedestrians and any other production traffic it interacts with. It's also got an upper safety scanner that can detect things like shutter doors coming down in front of it. The AGV itself has got emergency stops on, and it also connects to our dolly train, which has emergency stops, so the device can be stopped from anywhere along the train. MasterMover carry out annual service on our machine. There's planned maintenance. If we do get unforeseen maintenance and a repair requirement, MasterMover can normally respond within 24 hours to come to site and complete the repair. We find the MasterMover engineers very easy to work with. They're very open and flexible. The MasterMover's delivered return on investment within the time it's been in production for the past 2 years, and we expect it to run for many years more. Our plan is to roll this type of equipment out to other processes, and we plan to do that with MasterMover. I'd certainly be happy to recommend the MasterMover AGV to other organisations looking to automate their driving processes.
It's been a really positive experience working with them, and the devices met and exceeded expectations as well.